We are smart, we are ready to start our lesson. So let's get it, let's get it, let's get in our minds. We are smart, we are brave, we are beautiful in every way. So let's start today.
Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the learning curve. All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Greetings, my friends. Today's episode is called Bullies Aren't Nice. Our show today will give examples of the different kinds of things that can happen to kitties who may not understand when someone else is not treating them as kind as they should. We want to show you today how many of us have been bullied in our lives, not knowing that it is being called bullying. So today, our little kitties, we want you to sit back and learn how we can protect ourselves and understand when someone is bullying us. We also want to be able to tell those around us, like our parents, grandparents, and those that we trust, that there is someone that is being very mean and unkind to us. One of those things can be someone that puts their hands on us, or they touch us in a way that is not proper. Sometimes they say mean words, or suggest you do something bad to yourself. When a bully tries to hit us, or does something to us that causes us pain or harm, it's called bullying. Now, some kids think that it's okay to have a laugh when making someone else sad. Well, kitties, don't believe that at all. We believe that we should show loving kindness in everything that we do. We also believe that we are supposed to be the kitties that our parents teach us to be, and that is to love our neighbors as ourselves. So today, we hope that the things that we show you in terms of bullying, you may understand. And if you don't, please have a conversation with your parents and or your guardians or someone that you trust so that you can understand if you're being bullied. If you're being bullied, please let someone know so that you can be safe and that the situation will stop. Okay, my precious ones, we are finally coming to an end of a great educational time with each other. We hope you learned something today about guarding yourselves from being bullied by mean people. Remember, those mean people can come in all sizes. They can come as someone a little older, someone younger, or someone in your family. Don't be afraid to tell if someone has hurt you, even if they tell you not to tell someone. Don't be that kitty who doesn't tell someone that they're being bullied and continues to be bullied by that someone. Always be brave enough to tell someone that you are being hurt by someone else. Okay, that's our learning lesson for today. Stand strong, kitties. We are little soldiers in the army of goodness. Guess what, my precious kitties? We have a new theme song written for us.
We are children, so so innocent and pure. We don't look for trouble, that's for sure. There are mean people who do us wrong. They try to hurt us and string us along. They make us cry, and that's not good. They treat us bad, not as they should. We must tell our family and friends it's not right to hurt or offend. Bullies are nice, bullies are nice. They're mean inside and that's not right. We have to change the way we act. Love our neighbors and that's a fact. Do good to them at all times. Help them, that's being kind. Let's do good like we should. Show the world we can be a great friend. Teach them love until the end. Love our neighbors, and that's a fact. Do good to them at all times. Help them, that's being kind. Let's do good like we should. Show the world we can be a great friend. Teach them love until the end. La 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 Bullies are nice, bullies are nice. They're mean inside and that's not right. We have to change the way we act. Love our neighbors and that's a fact. Do good to them at all times. Help them, that's being kind. Let's do good, like we should. Show the world we can be a great friend. Teach them love until the end. La 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 la.
Hello, kitties! How would you like to be a part of the Hello Kitties family? Here's what you'll need to do. You'll have to get permission from your parents to join, and their email is used for you to sign up. We are building a learning army of kitties all around the world. Join our family today. Remember, you can only do this with your parents. All right, my little kitties, we've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people what we have learned today. Friends from all nations. Go to the mirror and say to yourself, I am smart.